Hey everyone, so in the following video we'll go over the homepage demo number 4. So as you see here, this is what the page looks like. It's quite complex in its structure. There are many little details that you need to pay attention to. So let's just go over the page structure real quick. First of all, we have this navigation menu up top. Here is the image slider. These are a flow shortcode pasted into a widget. These are widgets over here all the way through this area. And essentially we have our footer over here. So let's get started. We'll go over to our website, and as you see here, I have just the image slider and our navigation menu already set up. So first things first, we need to add that flow shortcode. So let's go to a pages area, and essentially the following area over here are some of the latest blog posts, and you can manage that by adding either videos or galleries or blog posts. So let's go ahead and add a flow shortcode. We'll need to select the list posts, and over here within the post type you can select whether you want to have blog posts, video, or galleries. So we'll select add blog post. Next off, we'll need to scroll down and over here select our view type to title overview, and then we'll need to select gutter space at 2 pixels. Of course, you can adjust the gutter space as you wish, though these are the settings we have for our demo version. For a number of columns, we need to select that at 4. Next off, we'll have the thumbnail width, which is this thumbnail width over here. We'll have this at 480 pixels. Thumbnail height is 340 pixels. Next off, we'll need to add a number of posts 4 as well. And then over here, you can select how you want to order the following blog posts. Now, it can either be by date of publish, title, random, or post ID. So we'll just go ahead and select it by date for now. And ordering, we can add ascending or descending. Alright, so once you've configured all of these settings, go ahead and click on Insert Shortcode, and it will be added here. Next off, what you'll need to do is take the following shortcode, copy it, and go over to the widgets area, and over here we have the following widget. It's called below header full width sidebar. So what you'll need to do is take the following text widget, drag and drop it into this area, and simply insert that shortcode into this text area. Click on save, go back to the home page, we'll refresh this, and here we have our latest 4 blog posts that I've created. Though as you see here, the hovering still kind of overlaps the navigation menu, so we do need to fix that. And you'll need to go over to a flow theme area, click on post settings, and scroll almost to the very bottom of the page until you find the following setting, full width sidebar below header margin. And this needs to be set at 0 pixels. Scroll down, click on update settings, refresh the following page, and you'll see that everything works perfectly fine now. Alright, so we have this taken care of. Next off, we need to add our 3 text areas and then our social media widget. So I'll go ahead and add that real quick for us. Alright, so now that we've added our 3 widgets at the bottom, let's go ahead and add the following text over here where it says things matter. So I'll go ahead and just use some dummy text. We'll just copy the following text, and we'll go back to our widgets area. We'll take this text widget, drag and drop it into this full width area number 2. We'll add our title, and we'll go ahead and copy paste the following text. So let's go ahead and click on save, and we'll go back to our home page. We'll refresh the following page, and you'll see that our text has been added, though it does look slightly different from what we have on our demo version. So as you'll see, the following text is center aligned, and this is just kind of all over the place. So what we'll need to do is go back to our pages area, and let's just go ahead and copy this text, paste it into this area here. Then what we'll need to do is center align the following text, switch back to text mode, select it, copy it, and once again add it into the following widget. So we'll click on save once again, and we'll go back here to our home page, refresh this once again, and you'll see that our text is now center aligned. So let's go ahead and add some additional breakpoints. First of all, we'll need to um, shorten up the text slightly. And in order to do that, we'll just add some breakpoints to the following text. So this will be our first paragraph, and we'll need to add a breakpoint. So this will be bracket br/bracket. So that's added. Let's click on save. Go back to our home page. Okay, and you'll see that our text has added a breakpoint. So let's go ahead and we'll actually delete a small piece of text because it's a little bit too long for a demo. And next off, let's go ahead and add an additional breakpoint to the following text. And I'll just copy paste this once again and add this here twice. So we'll click on save, and we'll go back to our home page once again, refresh this, and you'll see that our text has aligned accordingly. So whenever you want to add a breakpoint, simply add the following over here where you have bracket br/bracket, and that'll add one breakpoint. If you want to have a new paragraph, you'll need to add this twice, as we did over here. So that's how you can manipulate the following text area over here. Alright, so finally we have our banners over here at the bottom that will need to be added. So in order to add the following banners, first of all, you'll need to go over to our documentation, and that link is in the video description below, and you'll need to take the following code, copy it, and paste it into the widget area. So let's just go ahead and copy this, just like that, and we'll go back, and we'll need to add a new text widget. So once again, we'll just drag and drop this here. We'll skip the title and just paste the following code over here. Click on save, and let's go back to our home page, refresh this, and you'll see that our banners have been added, though you'll see that the spacing here is, we have more spacing here between the banner and the text, so we'll need to adjust that as well, and we'll add additional breaking points by once again using this br, and we'll add this twice, just like that. Click on save, go back to our demo, go back to our home page, refresh this. Alright, and the spacing is now adjusted. Okay, so finally, in order to add the following, to update the following banners, what you'll need to do is, everything's fairly easy and simple. First of all, I do recommend that you open up a simple text editor, or that you use a just a random page on the website. First of all, copy and paste the following text. Next off, what you'll need to do is go over to the media library, and over here, let's just say these are the following banners that we want to upload. So once you've uploaded the banner, copy the following link, close this, and you'll need to replace the following image link. So you'll see that it's started over here where it says image, img, and then we'll just take this HTTP all the way throughout here where it says layer 4.png, and replace it. Once again, we'll need to copy the following text and paste the updated version into our widget. We'll need to go back to our home page and refresh the following page, and you'll see that this has been replaced. And so the same process applies to the following areas as well. In order to update that link, we'll have the link over here. So let's just say, let's go ahead and get our Zendesk. We'll copy this and add it into the following area. So the link over here, it just simply starts with HTTP is the top link. We'll need to select this and replace it with the link we want to add. We'll take the following text, copy it, and paste it here. Click on save, go back to our home page, refresh this, and now once you click on our flower, it redirects us to Zendesk. Alright, so yeah, this is pretty much the entire process of how to set up the homepage demo version number 4. We do hope this video helps, but for more information, please look through our documentation on how to manage additional widgets and additional content. Thank you.